let us add style elements. Okay, so in our header, okay, see, this is header, head element. We have only one element called title. So to this head element, let us add style element. Just type style presenter. Now style element, within style element we can declare our style properties or style dimensions. So let us do one thing. uh, Let us declare for image. Okay, I want a width of, so each property of style element is going to have one property and one value. 100 pixels, 100 pixels, put semicolon. So within this style block of image we can define more property. So it contains property colon value, property colon value. Press enter, save the changes. Code Prettier has done its beautification. Now let us see our effects in our website. See, our style element has done its job. So earlier image was totally filled in, but now image has been cut short. Okay, that's the magic of cascading style sheets. So if you observe the edges, edges are sharp, right? So let us smooth the edges. Let us put border radius, border radius property to 10 pixels. Okay, like this. Don't worry, uh, are we need to memorize all these things? It's not required. We are going to do the same thing again and again for a lot of websites, right? So it becomes a practice for us. So but be cautious, we should be aware of something such exists. Okay, so let us save our changes. Now let us see the effects. So if you observe, the edges are now rounded, right? So this is how styling works. So edges are made softer, so that's what it is called. Okay, now let us make a trick. See the effect. Now it's been rounded image, right? How does it happen? With this simple effect, when you make the border radius to 50% of your width, so you get almost rounded image in image, rounded styled image in your website. If you observe, our elements are stacked vertically. That means vertically they are put like this, right? One element, second paragraph element, another paragraph element. Okay, let us do some beautification or disciplined appearance over here. What we do, let's put float property, okay, and put left. So what it does, it puts um, our image, proper image element to the left side of text properties. Let us save it and see the effects. So since we have put float and left, so our image has been put onto the left side, correct, and text has been put just beside our image. Now let us do one thing, let us make the text as in bold color, bold fonted. For that, for that we add another style element for paragraph, just braces, right, like this. In that paragraph element we add font weight as bold, and when we save and see, the entire text has been in bolded font. But what we want is only the text. For the first text has to be bolded, remaining text they should not be bolded. For that we need to define a classification in the paragraph element, so that we are going to do now. Once we define classifications, we are going to use that classification in our style sheet. Paragraph element dot that classified name, save it and see the changes, you get all the effects. So cascading style sheets, they define the grammar, how our web page look like. Now let us discuss about DOM, the document object model. Whenever HTML page we define, or whenever you type some URL in your browser, request is sent to server, server sends you response, that response is in DOM. The response from server contains a document object model. It constructs a document object model. Let's see how our browser receives, sends, requests, response. For that, we need to know the dev tools. So what you do, click here and you just uh, scroll and see the different tools over here. So you have somewhere dev tools. Okay, I'm just searching for that. Just give me a second. Come here. So slowly you have somewhere more tools here, right? And in this more tools, developer tools, just click over here. And here today we are going to see elements, right? If you see, this entire thing is a document object model, right? Whatever you are seeing, HTML, head, body, image, everything is represented in a DOM. So all the elements we have already defined, but if you observe slowly, scroll down, there are certain elements which are injected by our live server, correct? It has injected some script data. So these scripts we are also going to write, and if you see within the script it is saying document dot get element by tag name head, right? So this is a beautification of our technology. We did not do anything. So your VS Code has done everything for us. So that's what the entire thing is called DOM, document object model. So if you click an element over here, right, or let me do one thing, let me scroll up, let me, okay, suppose if I want to see, so all the elements, if you just hover over, so what is the size and everything, what is the source, okay, everything it shows you, okay. So this type of inner knowledge we should have. So what we do, click on styles, and if I hover over this thing, if I hover over this element, okay, So if you see all the styles like this. Okay, so if you want to refer to what style you have used, everything, okay, so like this. So whenever you get a time, you can uh, do an insight thorough investigation how each and every text is looked, okay, how developer tools they are working, okay. So this developer tool is very helpful in debugging if something goes wrong,